Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my cheese space, and today we're going to be looking at how to make a scrunchie. I have my material here. If you can see that there's a difference between the front and the back of the material, like one side is shiny and the other one is bland, so probably we're going to be using the shiny one for the front. Then I am going to take 18.5 inches for the length of the material, just a rectangular material. For the elastic is going to be 8.5 because we just want it to be a little bit half of the band itself. Next, I'm going to try and sew the sides of the band because I will want to insert it at the very end. Make sure that it's inside out. Then when I'm done with sewing, I'll iron and turn it inside out. Before it was at the back, now I turned it to the front. As you can see, it's very smooth. The next thing I'm going to do is try to insert the elastic, which I showed how to insert easily in the previous video. You can see it in the link below. Then when I'm done, it's going to look like this. Very easy. It came out well. It's all folded, but I need to also enclose the sides. I also showed it in the previous video when I showed how to make a bonnet. You can see it also in the description, that video that was inscribed below. Then I'm going to fold properly, just put it in, tuck it in properly so I can be able to sew the sides. When I'm done tucking it properly, it does not really take that much time to do that. If you're a fast learner, you sew the sides. And if you notice the thread is black, so you cannot use a black thread for the milk. I've changed the thread. You can also see how to change your thread using an old singer in my videos. You can just visit my YouTube page and you see the video about that. So I'm going to sew the sides here. When I'm done sewing the sides, then I will know how to do it. And that's just it. I'm done with my scrunchie. It wasn't that hard. It's very easy, something I can do within how many minutes. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.